Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and guides. Today we will have a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to disable background apps to speed up your computer. This tutorial will help you enhance your system's performance by reducing the load on your CPU and memory. Background apps are programs that run in the background even when you're not actively using them. These apps can consume significant system resources, such as CPU and memory, which can slow down your computer. Today, we'll show you how to disable these background apps to improve performance. To access background apps settings on Windows, open the Start menu and select Settings. In the background apps settings, you will see a list of all the apps that are allowed to run in the background. Here you can choose to disable all background apps or disable them individually. To disable all background apps, toggle the switch to off. This will prevent all apps from running in the background, freeing up system resources, and potentially speeding up your computer. If you prefer to disable only specific apps, you can toggle the switches next to each app individually. This allows you to keep essential apps running while disabling those you don't need. Focus on disabling apps that you rarely use or those that have a high impact on system performance. You can always re-enable it if needed. Additionally, you can manage background apps through Task Manager or open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S and go to the Startup tab. Here, you can disable apps that start with your system but aren't necessary. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can further reduce the load on your CPU, leading to a faster and more responsive. System. Disabling background apps is an effective way to speed up and enhance its performance. Regularly check and manage your background apps to ensure your system runs smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.